And how do you go about picking your colour themes?
For me, I tend to go with the backing fabric that I've chosen. That's where it really helps me, because I've got no artistic training, so and I know I have a colour wheel and everything, and I know which colours that should go together, but sometimes I find it too, like it's trying to...
too prescriptive.
Yeah, it's not like I'm not choosing it, it's choosing me kind of thing. But then I find such inspiration from backing fabrics, and I've got all my like solid colours like in swatches, like little cards, and then I can pick and match and then put them together, and that's how a lot of my quilts have come together, by matching up the backing fabric. And then you end up using combinations that you would never have thought to use before. So it's quite a good tip if you're struggling to pick front coloured fabrics. That's for solids, that's for solid fabrics. For printed, but then you can take those colours and try and match in a printed fabric as well. So just doing this last one, and then
that's quite interesting, because most of us, we piece the quilt front and then we go, what am I going to put on the back now?
Yeah.
You look for something then, so that's almost doing it in reverse.
Yeah, and I used to do that, and then I used to get really frustrated because I couldn't find the right backing fabric.
Exactly the right one. Yeah.
So
That's a very good tip, that one. I should remember that.